So this is just a quick little video. This page 100 here, this question here, right? So I'm going to start off by drawing it first of all as if it's a big rectangle, and I'm going to find this line as well along here, and I'm going to get my points then to do my chords and stuff. So that's the first thing I'm going to draw anyway, is the big rectangles and the construction lines. So it's 230 long, 72 and 10, it's 82 wide. Zoom in small, but they're not focused. That let's put it all over the place. So it's 230 long, and it's 82 wide. $72 there as well. 82 and 72. Okay, there's a bit of revision in this now, lads. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to do my division of a line up here now again to get my division for that. Okay, so division of a line now, remember, lads. Okay, we start here in the corner, we draw a line at any angle, any distance. Okay? We set any random distance on our compass, and we swing off how many parts we need. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there's 2 ways you could do it, right? You can swing off 4 to get 1 this full section, 2, 3, 4. Or you could do every single one of those as an equal part. So we could swing 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing off 8 parts, and it's going to give me all these lines along here then. Okay? So we set any random distance on our compass, and I'm swinging off 8 parts along that line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so what we do now is we join the very far over corner with our last mark we made, and then we use sliding set squares to go parallel. You line up your first set square with that line, the second one comes up to the bottom and touches it, and you can slide this along here then. So there are my divisions there now, and I'm just bringing them down now to whatever line. So what I mean by that is this first one here, it's brought down to here. You know, I can actually darken these in now. Goes up to there. This one goes out to the very front. This one comes out to the very front line. And you have another shorter one. So, now what we need to do is we need to find the center of the circles down here that fit in here. Okay? We know they touch, this is a point on the circle, this is a point on the circle, and this is a point on the circle. So over here I'm going to do a little sketch, okay? So we have a circle. We know 3 points in the circle. So we know a point here, a point here, and a point here. So what we're going to do is we're going to join these points, and we're going to bisect it. We're going to join these points, bisect this line, and that will give us the center there then for our circle, okay? So we're making chords. So I'm going to join here to here first of all, and I'm going to bisect that. So compass more than halfway the line, swing an arc above and below the line, same distance on the compass, come to the end of the line, swing an arc above and below the line. Okay, we can draw in that there in that X shape. So that's that chord bisected. I'm going to do the exact same here now in this one. So join your chord, compass more than halfway, swing an arc above and below the line, same distance on the compass, swing an arc above and below the line, and we can join in these then to where the chords, where the bisections meet. So where they meet there now is the center of the circle. We can extend our compass to here. Swing around our circle. Okay? We can do that thing for all these if we want, or we can simply bring across the center of the circle. This is a lot quicker. And we can bring down these lines here. We can bring down these lines down here then. And that gives us all them then along are the centers of our circle. And that's that question there then, fully completed. That was a good bit of revision in that there, the bisection of a line method, and then the chord method which we've just met.